Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change modes on Ring Doorbell. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon next to your feed on the app. Then there's the mode settings. When you click on it for the first time, you'll get the introduction. After that, you'll be able to pick one of the three modes, like a Disarm mode, Home mode, or Away mode. And also, when you have that introduction finished, you can go back to the home screen or homepage of the app. And then there's three different options here as well: Disarm, Home, and Away. And you can switch between them right here as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.